or what do you believe is set to happen or on the agenda at that meeting?
As a fellow South African, I am very concerned, because if this is of national interest, I really say we need to be told what is happening in Nkandla. We need to know. And we also need to know, why the same shirt every day, the same shirt for all these meetings? Is the shirt from the Sangoma? Does it mean your Sangoma is the best? And when I look properly at the design of the shirts, I'm like, maybe this design of this shirt is communicating. Just look at what is on the shirt. But I mean, I really believe that we should be told what is happening. As fellow South Africans, we deserve to know what is happening with the tea parties in Nkandla. Okay, yeah, I understand the other one was not given tea, it was just given water, maybe sugar water, I don't know, but there was just water. But still, we deserve to know. If there is a coffee shop or a tea shop in Nkandla, as a fellow South African, Nami, I would like to go there and buy my teacup of coffee. If people are just going there for fun, then they should be questioned. If they're just going there to visit their friends, then they should be questioned. I'm not even allowed to visit my own grandmother because we are on level 3. We have to be careful. We have to avoid seeing each other unless it's necessary. And if it is so necessary for them to see each other, it means it is of national interest. If we are allowed to have tea with our people that we like or with anyone, can I also have tea with Sia Kolisi? I hear he is in Durban now. Can he come and have tea? Nami, I have something very important, but he mustn't bring the wife. Don't come with the wife. Just you. You saw in Nkandla, nobody's going with their partners. So please, come, let us have some tea.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Subscription is free. Mahala.